Okay guys, so for this video I'll be talking on how to reconnect your Binance account to your Kabibot account in case of a disconnection. So recently we had issues with our servers, which is quite common, yeah, but then it didn't affect anything. The only thing you have to do is just reconnect your Kabibot account back to whatever exchange platform you're using, and then you're good to go. So I'll be showing you how to do that in this video. So you go to your Binance and you wait for it to load up. All right, so now you click the hamburger menu, and then you come to more services, and then you scroll down to API key, just the same way we created our API key when we were first linking each of the accounts. So you click on API. So it's going to load up a page. Yeah. So as you can see, this was the former API key we created before. So we are going to just delete this. Yeah, it's deleted now. So now we can create a new one and link it to our Kabibot platform. So basically it's the same process as the previous video we had on this. So but we're just going to go through it over again. So you click on create API and you select system generated API. Then you give your API key a label. So we can call it Kabibot automation. Then you click on next. So it's going to ask you to verify with a passkey. Okay, my passkey is my fingerprint. Alright, so it's created, but now we have to edit and properly link it. So this is our API key. We copy it and then we go over to our Kabibot platform. So this is our Kabibot platform. We click on bots, and then as you can see, I have an automation running presently, but then it's supervised. If you can see, it's supervised, so it's presently not active. Let me use that one because it has been disconnected from my Binance platform. So now we just have to reconnect it back. So now we come to credentials and you click on create credentials. So we do the same thing we did on the Binance platform. We give it a name, Kabibot automation, and then each of these API keys, I'm sorry, each of these IP addresses, sorry, will be pasted on the Binance app. But first things first, we have to copy our API and our secret key. So we go back, we copy this, that's the API key, and then we paste that there. And then for the secret key also, copy that, and then we'll paste it there also. So yeah, it's pasted already. So now for the next step, we have to copy each of these IP addresses. But before we do that, there are some permissions up here that we need to enable. So the first one said enable reading. So you come to your Binance, enable reading is already ticked. The next one is enable futures. So for futures, what they mean is the spot and margin trading. So you just tick that. Okay, sorry, we can't tick that unless we input the IP addresses first of all. So as you can notice, I changed this from this, that's the IP access restriction. I changed it from unrestricted to restrict access to trusted IPs only. So we are basically telling the system to restrict access to the IP that we are going to be providing, and those are the ones from the Kabibot platform. So we're going to be copying and pasting each of them one by one. So you come over, you just click on one, come over here, you paste it, and then you confirm. So you go over, you copy the next one, you paste it, and then you confirm. Come over, you copy the third one, you paste it, and you confirm. You copy the fourth one, you paste it, and then you confirm. You copy the fifth one, you paste, you confirm also. Copy the sixth one, you paste and confirm. Copy the seventh one, paste and confirm. You copy the eighth one, you paste and you confirm. You copy the ninth one, you paste and you confirm. You copy the 10th one, which is the last, you paste it and then you confirm. So as you can see, each of these boxes have already opened up. Initially they were grayed out before, meaning you can't click on them, but now we can click and select. So for the permissions, enable reading is already ticked. Enable futures, that is spot and margin trading, we just ticked that. Then permit universal transfer, we also tick that also. So I think that's all we'll be doing. Then when you're done, you just click on save. So you verify with your passkey again. Alright, and then we go back to our Kabibot platform and we add credentials. So as you can see, it's connected successfully. So now all we need to do is go back to our automation. You open it up, you click on these three buttons at the top right of your screen, and then you click on modify. Alright, so it's already selected on Binance, and then we select the automation we just the credential we just created, sorry, and then you agree and then you modify. That's all you need to do, and that way you have successfully reconnected your automation and your account back to your exchange platform.